Welcome to Harvey's Cooking. Today we're making chocolate chip cookies. Yummy, huh? Okay, first you take a fresh egg, crack it, and you'll pour out. Then take a full stick of butter and put it in. And add in the new mix. And you stir it until it hardens. And soon it'll be ready for the oven. Now you take the gooey movie stuff and you roll it into balls about this size. They'll turn out this big. Yeah. Then you put them in the rolls, and soon you turn the oven up to 375, and it'll be done. Then place them in the center of your hot oven. Place them in there for 3 to 9 minutes, or until golden brown, like a Mexican skin. You know, I'm getting there. You know. Okay. Then slide it in and wait for your 9 minutes. This is what you do while you're waiting.
It's a terrible day.
And more waiting. And just a little bit more waiting. Make sure you have your gloves, and then find a nice clean area, swipe it a few times, then go back to the oven and look at your lustrous cookies. Pull them out. Look at that bake freshness. Then find a nice spatula, good size, maybe high quality, and get out a plate. And take the spatula and scoop off each lustrous cookie. And don't burn yourself in the process. You wouldn't want you getting hurt. Look at that baked good freshness. Now take the cookies and make everyone jealous. And then start all over again. Have fun. Chocolate chip cookies. Is that good enough? Kill it.